What's going on, guys? So the first thing you want to do really when you buy something is go through all the fluids and filters and clean everything and just make sure you have good new stuff in there, because you never really know. Even if they tell you it's been blah blah blah, you never really know. So today we are going to be swapping over all the filters, external filters, and doing an oil change, and that's just going to give you a good peace of mind and ensure that it's got fresh fluids in it. So we are also doing a air filter because it's a little dirty, but they didn't have it in the store, so I don't have it right now. But we're going with the Rotella T4 15W40. A lot of people online say this stuff's great. And then we go in with a Mobil 1 oil filter, what they had there, and then an AC Delco transmission filter, the external one, and then we're going with a AC Delco fuel filter. Well, I got everything swapped over and fluids are all good. Apparently Hulk decided to change the transmission filter and the oil filter before me because they were just on stupid tight. But I got everything swapped over, all is good. And this is pretty much just going to be a little intro to the video, because tomorrow we're going to Jacob's house. He's putting his refreshed turbo back in his LBZ. Well, I guess I will catch up with y'all sometime tomorrow. Well, they've met already. Bone stock versus about as far away from bone stock as you can get. Well, I guess mine's not totally bone stock. I got the exhaust on it, but pretty sweet having them together for sure. So Jacob's putting his refresh turbo back in and then doing some data logging, I do believe. So I'm not going to show you all the whole him putting it back in, just because I don't want to overstep my boundaries with filming him on that, just because I know it's annoying when people film you trying to work on stuff.
You know where my GoPro is?
Probably dead somewhere.
Yeah. Right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Hard to forget it when it's there.
Yeah, that's right, that's right.
I wish I'd have filmed all of us FaceTime with you and doing all the edge stuff, driving the truck. That would have been cool, but I
So
didn't
caught up
think
in the
about
moment.
it. Yeah.
But yeah, on your truck, I would definitely do a Y bridge, because they're known to blow out. And if you do the Y bridge and everything, you can do the EGR delete, and that kit comes with everything you need. And then do like a LB7 up pipe. That'd be the cheapest way to delete it. And then I would also do an LML manifold on the driver's side, because the driver's side manifold's got that dip in it.
I hadn't looked.
Yeah, it's got like a dip to clear the 5 steering wheel shafts. You've only got one. I don't know why they did that, but it impairs the engine's ability to exhale on the driver's side.
As much as I do like the old fat tip, stacks are just dirty. Austin Ryan, I believe that is his Instagram. Anyways, he had like a 10-inch chrome stack, and it was short. It was like halfway up the glass. It looked so insanely good, and I was like, I'm doing that. But then I talked to him, and like up here, right there, where it's painted, obviously that's the body, like his paint was gone, because I guess just if you get a short one, the heat can go straight up onto the cab, whereas this one obviously it goes above. So yeah, that definitely kind of sucks. And yes, we have wheels and tires coming for the truck, but it is a 6 to 8 week potential wait. I will give you a little heads up. Might be rocking some 420s, that's a possibility. But yeah, so definitely things like Jacob's got, painted flares, handles, all that kind of stuff. I really want to do that, but at the same time, if I want to just wait, get the body work fixed and paint it, kind of just want to do that. Can't really decide, but yeah, I know it will look good. Tow mirrors, I want to get some of the 15 plus new ones. Who is it? Boost Auto Works, I think it is. Makes a really good looking new style ones. I want to do that, but I think I'll wait until after the wheels because I think they'll just look goofy with big old tow mirrors and stock wheels. But yeah, it's pretty sick. If it wasn't 100 degrees out here, I'd be enjoying this even more. Gotta get a little Z action, bro. It's fine. This car will never not smell new. It's the goal. Oh shoot, there's that thing.
20-piece nugget meal, large Sprite, and a large sweet tea.
Anything else?
A small vanilla milkshake.
Oh no. How is this man not 300 pounds?
Broke though.
Where the credit cards? Show me them numbers.
Anything else?
That's it.
11:53 yesterday.
Only got 8.
Dang, he really crying. Been sitting out in the weather for the last month. It's kind of excusable. It's got a layer on the hood.
I know.
It's thick.
Yeah, what we'll do is we'll get a datalog, wide open throttle, cool.
lug up this hill. It's gonna sound so dang good. So dang good. Alright guys, well that's about going to do it for today's video. Did a little maintenance on the truck at the beginning and then worked on Jacob's truck. So very successful. It's cool, you know, hanging out with obviously the friends and stuff, working on trucks and getting Jacob's dialed in and data log and hopefully on point for another season. Gosh, that turbo is just addictive. But yeah, so hopefully y'all are enjoying the LBZ content today, double LBZ content. And so I guess with all that being said, hopefully they enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one.